Hello, this is our Geological History project. Enjoy.
Introduction. The era is Paleozoic. The time 540 to 440.
Our period is the Ordovician period, and the time is 488 to 444 MYA. Presenters are Tanush Patel
and Josh Malonzo. The next slide is fossil strata research. Dear Academy of Natural History, we would like to report the finding of sea fossils, mainly focusing around the Ordovician period. We found the Arthropoda fossil, the mollusca fossil, and Bryozoa fossil. The Arthropoda fossils are shaped like an oval and contain many lines across it. It is around 3.2 centimeters wide. The mollusca fossil is shaped like a rolled up snail and are approximately 2.8 centimeters wide. Lastly, the Bryozoa fossil is shaped like a nail and is 3.36 centimeters wide in length. These index fossils are important because it can help us understand and know about our past underwater. We can learn what animals once lived in our ocean and how they looked. Also, we can estimate their size, which can help animals with finding and being competitive for food. We can help recreate the past by collecting data from fossils to help us see what the old environments were like. We can figure out what were the top predators, which animals ate what, and many more. Also, the fossils in a form represents how the past animals look like, which helps geologists understand and create the true picture of animals. The next slide is reconstructing the environment. Identify the biotic and abiotic factors. The biotic factors of the Ordovician period are coral, trilobites, Silurian, Othoceras, and cephalopods. The abiotic factors of the Ordovician period are the oxygen level of 17%, the carbon dioxide level of 5,112 ppm, and the Ordovician period day length being 21.7 hours.
During the trip back in time, we saw fascinating Ordovician animals and plants. The environment was all underwater. While exploring this fascinating environment, we came across Orthoceras, a type of cephalopod. Orthoceras have a squid-formed body and inside a cone shell. This amazing animal could grow up to 14 feet, and its fossils are found all over the world. After seeing this amazing creature, we explored more. We encountered trilobites. Trilobites are a group of arthropods and originated from the Cambrian period. The Ordovician trilobites are mostly relegated to the shallow oceans and prefer to stay near the reefs and shores. Afterwards, we met the bony fish. They were one of the first types of fishes and were jawless. They used their mouth to suck up and sift through sand near the seabeds. The last animal we passed by while exploring was the Baetheris extens. They were species of the trilobites in the family Baetheirigidae. They are mainly colored gray and they are fast moving. Overall, we met some interesting animals, however we did encounter some plants, one being the horn coral. This coral lasted till the Jurassic period. It was given its name due to the fact that it is shaped as a horn with a big round circle at the back and a sharp edgy point at the front. To conclude, these are the main animals and plants we experienced on our exciting curious journey back to the past of the Ordovician period. Next, we have the questions. Our first question is, what was the top predator underwater during the Ordovician period? The cephalopods were the top predators during the Ordovician period. These dominant animals could grow up to 14 meters. These animals were able to change their skin color when wanted, which helped them blend in and camouflage.
The next slide is investigating the past. How did the Ordovician period go extinct? Even though there are no certain theories of how it went extinct, theories have been made. The Ordovician period most likely went extinct due to global cooling and reduction of sea levels. This extremely impacted the marine species living in warm, shallow waters.
The last question is, why were the cephalopods a top predator in the Ordovician period? Cephalopods was a top predator during the Ordovician period due to many advantages. Cephalopod suckers are converted into sharp hooks, which helps them have a better grasp to their prey. They have chemical receptors that help them identify their prey. They use these advantages to be the most dominant animal in the Ordovician period. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Have a great day. Goodbye.